Hello, myself Prakash, the team lead and the product designer.
Hi, I'm Prakash and I'm the electronics lead.
Hi, this is Mohan, I'm programming lead.
Talk of the town, the elephant in the room, and the theme of the entire year, the coronavirus pandemic. Now, there have been a lot of pandemics in our world. It happens around twice every century, but this one is different because it hit us very, very hard, and one of the main reasons for that are the lockdowns. Now, why lockdowns are very hard on us is it makes us lonely and it keeps us away from people. But the reason that lockdowns do happen is so that you don't spread the virus around venues like this and on organizations such. Now, how we can stop that is by filtering people, is by stopping sick people from entering venues like this. Now, the main reason you can do that is by using screening stations.
A solution for this is an easily integrated system which is being kept in the entrance of an organization. It is completely automated and it runs in a cloud-based architecture. And the cloud database can be used for contact tracing capabilities. In addition to this, we have face mask detection and an attendance tracking system.
With the help of the system, we can ensure health security of each employee in an organization. This solution is easy to use and it can easily integrate with any security systems. This solution is really cost-effective one and it has modular design. The modular design includes few modules like RFID one, which gives us attendance tracking, and also a camera module which enables us mask detection algorithm. And also this solution is highly scalable. Even if we get few clients, we can sell a lot of units, and that's it, a substation.
Now let's consider that you're entering an organization. Now as soon as you enter the venue through the main gate, you have to go through the mask detection system. So as you can see, if you don't have a mask on, it just beeps at you and tells you to wear the mask. Now after you've worn the mask, you just have to do the verification again, and it just checks if you have the mask on or not, and if you do, you can just move on to the next step where we have to go to the screening station. And this is where you actually measure your health vitals, your SpO2, your body temperature as well as your pulse. Now it's fairly straightforward. All you have to do is place your finger on the sensor and it just throws you an output. So it's as simple as that. And if the algorithm recognizes that you're healthy, it just shows you a green light and you can keep going, and the sensor gets sanitized automatically. And if the finger was dirty or wet, it'll just ask you to try again. The entire process is very quick and simple, and the sensors have been located in the exact position where you could easily measure all the vitals that you need accurately. And there's a massive display to give you all the outputs that you need. And as soon as a person is done with the screening process, a sponge is sprayed with some highly effective liquid sanitizer and is used to wipe off the sensor surface. So the entire process is very sterile for the next person. Meanwhile, the measured vitals would be sent to a Google Sheets API, and all this data could be easily viewed through an app. And you could use this data for any sort of predictive algorithms as well as contact tracing. Thank you.